Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Windows 10 Enterprise version. Let's. I set up everything on my VM. Um, we're going to power it on now. So let me power this on. Just powered on. Okay. On the screen we're going to choose the mm, language to install and the time and currency format. We're going to leave that language to install as English US. We're going to change the time and currency format to English Canada. So let's change it. So English Canada, and then click on next. Now we're going to click on install now. So setup is starting now. On the screen here we have this license agreement. So the terms and condition, everything. So we're just going to say we agree everything. So I accept the license terms, and then I'm going to click on next. And then is that a upgrade or install custom installation? I'm going to choose the custom install Windows only advanced. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to check the drive 0. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to click on next. So it started copying Windows files. It's getting ready for installation. It's going to take a while to getting ready to ready the files for installation. It's installing features now, installing updates. It's going to take a while. It's going to restart the computer now. I mean, restart the installation. It's restarting now. It's getting ready. System is restarting now again. Now we're going to select the region for this one. So let's select this, Canada. I'm just going to select the Canada and then yes. And then so is this the right keyboard layout? Yes, it's a US keyboard, US, and yes. And then add layout, just skip this. Now we can go look for any updates, if there are any updates for this version. Now we're gonna sign in with Microsoft, but we're not gonna sign in with Microsoft. We don't have any account with Microsoft right now to sign in. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna click on join domain join instead. I'm gonna put let's say Thiru.com. Let's see if it takes that for now. The password, I'm gonna put password for now. It might say error, but not. Let me see. Password hint. Just a moment. It's checking it. And we got this here. Make Cortana your personal assistant. So I'm going to say no. I don't need that assistant. And then these are the options you can turn off or turn on if you want. Choose privacy settings for your device. Location service, I don't want to share my location, so I'm going to turn it off. Diagnostic purpose, I'm going to take off. Relevant ads, I don't need any ads. Speech recognition, I don't need that. And tailored experience with the diagnostic data, I don't need that also. And then I'm going to click on accept. And it's starting the personalization. We are getting everything ready for you. It's going to take us several minutes to set this up, so we're going to wait until that. Okay, we got installed Microsoft Windows 10 evaluation version. It's asking for us networks. It's prompted me to do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on this network? So I need that yes. I'm going to click on yes on this. As you can see now, we have installed Microsoft Windows 10 evaluation version. It's here you can see that Windows 10 Enterprise Evaluation license valid for 90 days. Also we can see here too, if we click on, just click on any of the folder, just right click on this PC here, you go into the properties of that, and you see here Microsoft Windows 10 Enterprise Evaluation version, and it's installed. This evaluation version has 90 days of valid of license. You can renew the license once it expired. At this point we have done installing Microsoft Windows 10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and see you again on my next video. Thank you.